Guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to wait. Awesome. I'm kind of sick, so I will be coughing. I would be coughing during this video. I have the coughs. So I'm gonna show you how to make a tornado in a bottle. First, you would need water bottle, dishwashing soap, any kind, and of course water. So first, let's fill our bottle with water. If you have, you can use a jar or anything, but just take the label off so you can see the tornado better. So you're gonna, hold on, I need to take off the label. Or just go with my teeth. I'm using that actual tornado in the bottle. It's just Vortex. So then you're just gonna fill it up. Now you're gonna take your water bottle and put just one little tiny drop of dishwashing soap. Okay, there. And you could put some glitter in it so then it looks like, particles just floating around. And then, yeah, just close it tight and then watch. Oh, it's dripping so bad. I need a tissue. Hold on, let me see. Look. The reason why I can't really see it, and I failed, but you guys probably won't. The reason I couldn't see it is because all these lines are in the way, so all these lines are shaped, so that basically messed me up, but